Today I'm going to show you how to make easy baked potatoes. They come up perfect, really the best roasted potato. I know this is a little bit different from all the other content I've been sharing lately on my channel with low carb, high protein, keto. Sometimes I like to balance my week out and have potatoes. We love them baked this way, and living in Ireland we have access to incredible potatoes, so why not have them? They're beautiful, nutritious, and we have all kinds of toppings with them, as you'll see, and I've written down lots of ideas in the blog post down below, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you'd like me to share other potato recipes or you prefer the low carb keto content. If you prefer low carb keto, that's perfectly fine. Come back tomorrow for more inspiration, since I'm sharing a video a day every day in May. So let me show you how to make these easy baked potatoes. I'm going to start by drizzling over some olive oil. I've got extra virgin olive oil here, and I tend to do about a tablespoon per potato. It's also a good idea to grease the sheet that you're going to be using. You can use foil as I've got, or you can use baking paper instead. So I do a good about tablespoon per potato, just so it's really well coated, and then just give them a toss around so it's just got into every little crevice, every corner. It's got the oil on it. And then I'll pop a good couple of shakes of salt, and then grab a sharp knife and score it across the top. Make a nice X along the top of each potato. It just lets the steam escape. Carefully not to cut yourself. There you go. And now it's going to go into the oven, which I've preheated to 200 degrees Celsius, which is 400 Fahrenheit, and it goes in for 20 minutes a time. So 20 minutes, and then we're going to take it out, give them a turn, keep cooking 20 minutes, and keep swiveling until it is crisp to your liking. For me, I'm happy with an hour. You might prefer more or less, depending how you want your potatoes and the size of your potatoes as well. These are massive, bigger than my hand potatoes, so they're going to take at least an hour to cook to perfection. So we're going to get them in for the first 20 minutes, and I'll show you what they look like after that. So the potatoes have been in the oven for the first 20 minutes. I'm just going to take a knife and fork to just toss them all around carefully in the oil, just so that it gets distributed all around. There you go. If you think it needs more oil, add more oil. I'm quite happy there's enough oil here. It is up to you. So now I'm going to pop it back into the oven for another 20 minutes and then give them another toss. And once again, just toss the potatoes around. It just gets the oil all soaked through on every side. Keeps them nice and moist. And we'll pop the potatoes back into the oven for a final 20 minutes, or until they are done and crisp to your liking. And the potatoes are finally out the oven, and they're crisp and perfect. And now toppings. In the blog post down below I will write loads of ideas for toppings, but my toppings of choice are grated cheese, sour cream and butter, and I'll show you how I put it all together. Okay, so I've moved one of the potatoes onto a plate over here. I'll just move it all carefully, and what I like to do is, just following where that X is, just cut the potato open. Oh, it's all hot, it's crisp outside, beautiful fluffy inside. Look at that beautiful potato. Oh. And now I'm just going to fill it with all my fillings. Very steamy. I'm going to first pop a bit of butter on top. Just let that melt in. It's very messily opened, but that's alright. Alright, butter melting in, and while it's hot like that, I'll put a bit of cheese on top. Can't go wrong with cheese. And finally drizzle over some sour cream. Just makes it so nice and creamy. But those are my toppings of choice. I'd love to hear from you your favorite toppings for a roast potato. This, as you can see, it's a whole plate full. It's really a whole meal full, and there are loads of different toppings, loads of ways to enjoy this lovely roast potato, which I find to be a foolproof, easy meal. But that is the video for today for this lovely foolproof whole roast potato. What a yum meal. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give the recipe a try and what you think of it and how you enjoy your jacket potatoes. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.